Hey everyone, RJ here with CV Tech, and I am going to do this test here using this BlackWeb power bank, 18,200 milliamp hour. It was at like 50% charged when I put it on charge, and it took forever from there to get it a full charge. Now these are the three main phones that I use here every day: the Moto E4, the iPhone SE, and the Huawei Sensor. I'm going to charge up each phone individually. See how long it takes to charge and how much is left in here after all three are done. I will not do these periodic things where I come back and check it. I want to plug it in right now. Of course, I got to use a lightning cable here for the iPhone. It's down to 3%, so I'm going to go ahead and plug it into this socket right there and put this right here. And also got my stopwatch right here. To kind of to see how long it takes to charge the iPhone. Now, the iPhone's got, I think, a 1624 milliamp hour battery. So let's go ahead here and plug this in. You see right there, we are at 3%. And we'll push the power button. Okay, now it's at 4%. So what we're going to do right now, it's got all four lights is on up there. So I'll come back when it's finished. Let's go ahead and start the timer, and I'll come back when it's finished, and we'll see where we're at. Okay, everyone. So the iPhone has finished its charging. It is at 100%, as you see right there. But it took 2 hours and 37 minutes to charge up the iPhone SE from 3% to 100%. Let's go ahead and unplug this here from the power bank, and we'll turn on the power button, and we got all four lights still shining. So that's a good sign there that all four lights are still on after fully charging the iPhone SE. So now we're going to go on to the Moto E4. The Moto E4 is currently at 8% battery life. As you see right there up top there, it is 8%. It's up here in the red. So we're going to go ahead and power this phone off, and we're going to use the supplied micro USB cable to charge up these other two phones. And these phones here can be powered off. As you know, iPhones cannot be powered off while charging. So I will take the supplied cable here, and I will put this into the 2.4 amp like I did the other one, and we'll get this test here started. So let's go ahead and plug this in. We'll get it all set up. Okay, we'll hit the power button. All four lights are shining. There it goes. Okay, so let's go ahead and wait and make sure that it does start to charge before I end this video. Okay, there we go. So we are at 8%, charging at 2.4 amps. And so I'll come back when it's finished, and we'll see where we're at. Okay, y'all, so we are done charging the Moto E4. As you see right here, it is at 100%. It took 2 hours and 3 minutes to fully charge. So it's charged quicker than the iPhone SE. 2800 milliamp hour battery, 1624 milliamp hour battery. So far in total we have charged a little over 4400 milliamp hours, and the power bank still has all four lights lit up. So that's really good so far. Of course, that's nowhere near 18,200, but anyway, now we're going to move on to the last phone here, which is the Huawei Sensor. Has a 3000 milliamp hour battery, and it is currently at 3%, as you see right there. So we're going to go ahead right now and power this device down, and we'll go ahead and plug this right back into the power bank. Now this thing it's not hot at all or anything like that, so that's a good thing. So we'll go ahead here, wait for that to power down, get that phone out of the way, and we will start charging the Huawei Sensor right here. Go ahead and power it on. All four lights are still on, and so we're going to go ahead and reset the timer. And we're going to show that it is charging here. and as you see it right there, 3%. Let's go ahead and start the clock. So yeah, we'll see where it's at, so stay tuned. Okay everyone, so we are at 100% now here on the Huawei, as you just seen right there, 100%. And looking here, let's go ahead and unplug it, and looking here, we are down to 2 lights. I mean, this might be a pretty good deal right here to pick up, because you know, for $20 it's not really bad at all, and it does take a while to charge. And what I may do here, just, you know, I may take my X power, and we'll see if this here actually finishes it off with a 4100 milliamp hour battery and down to 3%. Let's go ahead and power the X power off. So let's go ahead and cut on the timer here. And we'll see if this here will actually get a full charge. So yeah, sorry this is taking so long, but just wanting to get everything done and really give this thing a test. So yeah, we'll come back. Okay y'all, so we are finished now with this test. It actually charged the LG X Power, and it charged it faster than I thought it was going to charge it. Don't have a time because the phone went dead sometime during the charging. So you look, as you see right here, it is at 100%. Now, after charging the LG X Power with a 4100 milliamp hour battery, Moto E4 with a 2800 milliamp hour battery, the Huawei Sensei LTE with a 3000 milliamp hour battery, and the iPhone SE with a 1624 milliamp hour battery, we are still at 2 notches, as you can see right there. So honestly, in my opinion, I think that this power bank is very well worth it. You know, $20 for this power bank, and honestly, I think it did a really good job. Of course, it probably won't charge the full 18,000 milliamp hour that it's supposed to charge, but you know, to be able to charge these 4 phones and still say it's still 2 bars or still 2 lights lit up, it's not bad. So I can recommend it. So like I said, always be prepared, because you never know, you may need a power bank to charge your phones or iPads or any kind of tablets or whatever you may use. I think this power bank here is well worth the money. So if this was helpful and informative in any way, hit that like button. Any questions or comments, leave it down below. I'll get back with you as soon as possible. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. I'd appreciate it. Y'all have a good one, and we'll see y'all in the next video.